Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Economic growth questions get easier fast when you focus on what is actually being measured, not what just sounds important or bigger at first glance. Economic growth. We want the economy's output to increase over time, so the best measure must track production, not just spending, and it should be per person. Now compare nominal and real GDP per capita. Nominal GDP can rise just because prices rise, but real GDP removes inflation, so it shows whether actual output per person increased. That makes real gross domestic product per capita the cleanest measure of economic growth because it captures output per person without inflation distorting the picture. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Trap. Rushing past real versus nominal. Rule, trust the wording and check which measure removes inflation before choosing.